Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used, and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful brand new 2026 Ram 2500 Black Express, guys. So this one's going to come with that 6.4 liter V8 Hemi underneath the hood, so still very capable for all of your towing needs, tow hooks, as well as you're going to have adaptive cruise control in this one. Beautiful night edition, so the nice black wheels, black accents, running boards already installed for you. You're going to have your mirror lights with your tow mirrors here. As we hop into the passenger seat, so you can see tons and tons of legroom. You're gonna have the full bench, so if you ever did need that 6-passenger, you can have that. Into the back seat here, you can see with the seats up, you're gonna get tons of storage underneath, as well as it will drop down for any seating that you might need. Coming around the back here, so you'll see your backup camera already installed for you with your trailer tow. Drop that down, you're gonna have your bed hooks, so you can strap down anything you might need to in the box and won't have to worry about it. Mudflaps installed, guys. As you come around here, you'll find your fuel tank into the rear seat from this angle here, so power windows in the back for you. You will have blind spot as well as heated mirrors, so you don't need to worry about fogging up getting into your driver's seat. So full leather wrapped wheel, column shifter, all that good stuff, guys. Power mirrors. If it interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.